His Royal Highness Abiasuma Nitegochu Wogafe Manche, the President of the Ghana Traditional Council. His Royal Highness Otumfuo was said to the second. Chiefs, Queen Mothers, Ministers of State, Members of Parliament, Metropolitan, Municipal and District Chief Executives here present, Your Excellencies, distinguished invited guests, friends from the media, I want to associate myself on behalf of government and the Greater Accra Regional Coordinating Council to welcome His Royal Highness Otumfuo Osetutu the second. On the 25th day of July 1946, the then Asantehene King Ajimambrembe II was in Accra at Old Polo Grounds. It marks 78 years that today we are witnessing the visit and the presence of His Royal Highness King Osetutu II. The Ghana state is so blessed, we are humbled, and it's a privilege to welcome Otumfuo to Ghana. Today, chieftaincy is not about wars to conquer territories. It is about friendship. It's about collaboration, how we can develop our people. Whether in the area of education, industry, trade and commerce, physical infrastructure development, and digitization. Recently, His Royal Majesty Otumfuo celebrated his 25th anniversary. We witness in his reign an epitome of peace, a symbol of unity, and also leadership, qualitative leadership that he has demonstrated during his reign as the king of Asante. We as Ghanaians are so proud of him for what he has exhibited to make chieftaincy so beautiful, so excellent. And it's our prayer that the culture and values of the Gadangbe people will also be cherished. What identifies us as Gadangbes is about festivals, whether Pleju, Homowo, Asapotufia, or Mayim. The rights and culture of our people of Gadangbe, we are so proud of. So we believe that our friends from Asante equally have a culture and a tradition they are equally proud of. On this note, on behalf of NIGA and the Ghana State, the Regional Coordinating Council, we are so proud to receive Otumfuo and his delegation for this August visit. We want to partner him to tap on his rich experience to boost the friendship between the Ghana State and Asante. Obakane lekome wahebo kanyenyo nanu wa jobo nani ogbon akọ oyo yin fedeke ka twa gbe onu aka yi ko jebu ojebu onunu okojo ajo ni wa fe kome wa fe mo Twa no manya bi wo no.